Hello everyone, I am Sourav and welcome to our YouTube channel on its school. In today's video, I am going to show you how you can enable dark mode in WhatsApp without using any software. But before starting this video, if you never subscribed this channel yet, subscribe this channel and press the bell icon for the latest updates from this channel. Recently, WhatsApp gave an update in beta version that include official dark mode in WhatsApp. If you are not a beta tester yet, check the I button for joining the WhatsApp beta program. After joining the WhatsApp beta program, open your WhatsApp and first click on three dots and open WhatsApp settings. After opening the settings, click on the chats option. After opening the chats section, you will get themes option on first. Simply open it. Here you will get three options: set by battery, light and dark. Select the dark option. Here you successfully enabled dark mode in WhatsApp. Thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to like, share and comment on this video.